Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 MDX. The ACURA MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, power lift gate, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, hard disk drive media storage. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
When purchasing an ACURA certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new ACURA. The ACURA dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the ACURA name. ACURA certified pre-owned, once an ACURA, always an ACURA.